Hi, Mr. Holmes. This is Vinny down at Tameron Hyundai. Thanks for asking about the beautiful Tucson. It comes with a honeycomb grill, wraparound headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, blind spot detection in your side mirror. On the inside, we see this beautiful cloth interior. You have tilt and telescopic steering wheel with your audio and cruise controls on the steering column. 7-inch audio display with Android Auto and Google CarPlay. Apple CarPlay, I'm sorry. This beautiful car comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron Hyundai we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Call me, Vinny, 334-313-7131, and come down to see us at Tameron Hyundai. You're going to love the way you're treated.